Good morning students, welcome to the next video lecture of data frame. Here we will discuss how we can create the data frame by using series object of Python. In the previous video we discussed already that we have created the data frame by using list. We have created the data frame by using dictionary. Now this is the third step, creation of the data frame by using Python data series, right? So here one simple program is there on the board, and you know that the very first line it is an important line related with the series creation, related with the data frame creation. The line is import pandas as PD. Done. Now just see here in this program two different dictionary variables are created. Dictionary objects are created. Here data1, it is the very first dictionary object. Now मुझे कैसे पता चला that this is the dictionary object? Here just see curly bracket is there at the starting and curly bracket is there at the ending. It means it is a dictionary object, right? So data1 holds a dictionary. Now just see what is there in data2. It is also a dictionary object. It is also enclosed with the curly bracket to curly bracket, right? Inside the dictionary object I have created a data series. If you see the dictionary object properly, this is the very first data element of the dictionary. Just see, it is separated by comma here, right? Dictionary, you know that dictionary is a combination of keys and values, right? So here the key is 1 and colon, the value is based on the data series. Just see pd.series bracket 10, 20, 30. Here the series is created by using list object, right? So the data element 1 of the dictionary holds the series 10, 20, 30 in it. Clear? Now just see what is the second data element of the series. Here it is 2, the name of the key. It is the name of the key of your dictionary object. So first key is 1, second key is 2. Now in front of this one, the value of this particular key, it is pd.series 50, 60, 70, 80. Here in this series 4 elements are there. This series is created by using 4 different elements 50, 60, 70, 80. And in the previous one the series is created by using 3 data elements 10, 20, 30. Right? We can create the data frame by using this concept also. Now if you want to create the data frame by using data1, the command is just say df1 equal to pd.dataframe inside the bracket data1. Data1 the dictionary name and the data1 it is here. Now if you want to see the what is there inside the frame object, yeah, how this particular data frame is created, ध्यान से देखो, ये ही चीज समझने की. Here the key of the dictionary, how many keys are there in the dictionary? 2 keys are there, 1 and 2. The keys of the dictionary ये आपके कॉलम की हेडिंग बन जाती है. Now if you want to see the output, the first column heading is 1, the second column heading is 2. TWO, right? The keys that are there in the dictionary are treated as heading of the column of your data frame. Data frame, it is a multi-column object, right? So 2 columns are there, 1 and 2. Now what is there inside the column, right? Here just see 1. The column 1 it holds 10, 20, 30. तो आपको कैसे लिखना है? जहां आपने column 1 बनाया इसके नीचे आप उठा के 10, 20 and 30 उठा के लिख दोगे, right? Done. Now just see the column number 2 it holds 4 values 50, 60, 70, 80. आप जो 2 का column है वहां पे start करोगे 50, 60, 70 and then 80. 4 values are there in that column, 3 values are there in this column. Clear? Now the thing is here, if you see the series, no index attribute is supplied with the series command. कोई index नहीं यूज किया है, केवल data part, only data part, no index. जब index नहीं देते तो by default index क्या लगाता है कंप्यूटर? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ऐसे. तो अब कंप्यूटर इंडेक्सिंग करना शुरू कर रहा है. 0 का इंडेक्स 1, 2 and here it is 3. Now the value is missing in the first column. जब किसी सीरीज की वैल्यू मिस होती है तो क्या यूज करता है कंप्यूटर? कंप्यूटर पुट NaN at the missing value. So here you can see NaN, not a number, it is there in the first column of your data frame, right? And when computer put NaN in any column, ये भी एक important चीज है, जब किसी भी कॉलम में NaN कंप्यूटर पुट करेगा, then by default your computer is going to convert the data into float. तो अब क्या होगा? ये 10.0 आपको अपीयर हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक, 20.0, 30.0. Done. This is the output of the data frame df1 that is created by using data1 dictionary object, right? This is the output. Generally from this concept question will be there in the question paper और आपको बोला जाता है just try to generate the output of this question, right? I hope the term is very simple, you can do it easily. Just do the practical in your computer also so that you get yourself comfortable in that particular topic. Right? Now just see, now we will work on data2. Here it is the another dictionary object. Now आपको क्या करना है? Just find out how many data elements are there in the dictionary. देखो पहला data element यहाँ से शुरू हुआ, यहाँ खत्म हो रहा है, कॉमा पे खत्म होता है. दूसरा element यहाँ से शुरू हुआ, data element यहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है. Means there are 2 data elements only in the series. Right? अब आपको क्या करना है? Just see the key of the dictionary. पहली key क्या है? X. Dictionary is a key column value. इसी का तो पेयरिंग होती है. The first one is key. Here the key is y. तो आपको क्या करना है सीधा? If you want to show the data frame related with this dictionary, आपको सबसे पहला काम x और y नाम के 2 कॉलम बनाने हैं. क्यों बना रहा हूं मैं कॉलम? Because these are the keys of the dictionary and the key of the dictionary is treated as heading of the column. Right? Now just see. X की वैल्यू पता करोगे. What is the value of X here? pt.series Ram and Mohit. 2 values are there with this X. तो इस कॉलम में आ जाओ. In the first part Ram and the second part it is Mohit. ठीक है? X values Ram and Mohit. It is a series of a list object. अच्छा अब now one thing. Now just see one thing. Index आ गया इसी सीरीज के साथ A and B. Right? A and B. This is the index. Here यहाँ पे आपने index नहीं डाला था सीरीज में, so computer will put 0, 1, 2, 3 like that one. Now the same index will be there in front of the data item A or B. ये 2 index उठा के यहाँ पे लिख दिए. Done. दूसरी सीरीज में आओ. Y. अभी अपन को Y कॉलम बनाना है. Y कॉलम is still blank. Now Y pt.series 24, 27, 28. 3 values are there. So just put these 3 values 24, 27 and then 28 in the next column of the data frame. Right? Now the index, just see the index A, B and C. A, B is already there. Just create one C object over here. C index over here. Now just match the column. किसी भी column की value अगर खाली रह जाती है तो आपको क्या करना है? Just put NaN at that particular point. Right? This is the output of data frame 2. This is the output of data frame 1. Just pause the video, see the program, complete program, and then after seeing the program, just see the output of this program. Here, when you use print df1 output it is this one. When you use print df2, this is the output of df2. Right? So by this we have finished the concept. The concept is related with data frame creation by using series. I hope you understand the topic. I hope you install this particular program in your mind. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.